Welcome everyone to lesson 3. Today we have the audio tab. From the up top, we have the import, which is extracting audio. Notice that it's a pro feature. You click on import, select the video you want to extract the audio from, and it will automatically gets you the audio.
Hello guys.
Okay, so this will be the first feature. On yours, you have your favorites right here. I will show you how to add music and sound effects to this tab at the end of the video. Now, let's get to music. You can get anything you like from this list, or you can search up here. You can find on the left corner the trending and the hits. So, for example, let's click on this one, and it starts playing. Okay, now let's go to sound effects. Here you can find the most trending sound effects like the keyboard typing, the swoosh, the slime sound effect, and of course many more from camera shutter or cinematic swoosh or bells. Okay? Here also you can filter the search like we did in music. You can search for anything like risers. And on the copyright, you can check for any copyright issues related to your videos. It's the same process the YouTube does. We are done from the audio tab, but here let me go back and show you how to add sound effects or music to yours tab. Only click on the star and it's in yours tab. You can easily put them and make it more accessible. I'll see you on the fourth lesson. Thanks for watching and see ya.